When we small business owners have uncertainty about our businesses, it creates fear and overwhelm. With fear and overwhelm comes a loss of control. We have no clarity about the future. We fight fires every single day, and we use gut feel to make business decisions. We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we're going to make payroll. We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we're going to get new business, and if we get new business, are we going to do it profitably? We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we can pay our personal bills and what we're going to tell our spouses when we can't. We stay up nights worrying about what could possibly go wrong next, and we fear the embarrassment, emotional, and economic loss associated with total and complete failure. On the other hand, when you have control over your business, you have clarity about the future. You know what tomorrow will bring, and if tomorrow takes a different turn, you know how to handle it. You have the right tools and the right information to make the right business decisions. And you have all the contingencies covered. And as a result, you're able to enjoy more profit and income, pay all of your bills, have no more challenging discussions with your spouse about getting another job, and at the same time, increase the value of your business. In short, you have a business that works. My name is Michael Barbarita from Next Step CFO. And at Next Step CFO, we are a contracted Chief Financial Officer services firm. And we are providing services and producing information products that give clarity and control to small business owners, helping them make the right business decisions that lead to multiple six figures in profit and income and seven figures in business value. With over 30 years of experience in actually owning retail, manufacturing, and service companies, I truly understand the risks and opportunities of business ownership. And over the last 10 years, I've been providing clarity to small business owners through business and cash flow forecasting, key performance indicators or metrics, and business ownership experience. In this short video, and the free short videos that I put together for you available for download, I'm going to show you how to gain more clarity and control over your business, as well as helping you make better business decisions. I basically answer frequently asked questions by business owners, as well as questions that business owners should ask. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get those other free videos. So sit back and enjoy. In this video, I'm going to talk about capital expenditures. What are capital expenditures? Capital expenditures, or what is sometimes called CapEx, are funds used by a company to acquire or upgrade physical assets such as property, industrial buildings, or equipment. It is often used to undertake new projects or investments by the firm. This type of outlay is also made by companies to maintain or increase the scope of their operations. These expenditures can include everything from repairing a roof to building a structure, to purchasing a piece of equipment, or building a brand new factory. This definition was provided by Investopedia. Managing your capital expenditures is another cash flow challenge for the business owner. The special challenge that the purchase decision related to capital expenditures brings is how much revenue or production can the fixed asset produce, and how much of a purchase commitment can be made. When you purchase a fixed asset, you not only purchase the asset for the present, but also for the long term. If you underestimate the revenue production the asset can produce, it will result in another purchase of a fixed asset prematurely and more consumption of cash flow. If you overestimate the revenue production the asset can produce, it will result in too much idle capacity and more consumption of cash flow. If I had to pick one of the two evil outcomes, I would choose to underestimate the revenue production. By choosing to err on the side of underestimating, at least the asset met or exceeded revenue production capacity, and although it may be a strain, the ultimate strain is overestimating revenue production, and that has a higher probability of putting an excessive strain on the business. One method of analyzing a capital expenditure is called payback. Payback is defined as the length of time it takes to recover your investment.
If that length of time is a year or less, the investment is virtually a no-brainer. If the payback period is 2 years or less, it's likely a go. And if it's longer, you need to make a more technical analysis. Here is a general calculation method for the payback period. The payback period equals the initial investment divided by the cash inflow per year. And let me see if I can give you a simple example. Let's say the initial investment of a fixed asset or capital expenditure is $400,000. And the cash inflow per year is $100,000 per year. You would take the $400,000 investment divided by 100,000, representing the cash inflow per year, and you would come up with the answer of 4 years. So it would take 4 years to pay back that particular investment. Note the payback period uses cash flows and not net income. The payback period only calculates how fast the company will recover its cash investment, and it does not address the investment's profitability. Here's a word about leasing. Although equipment leasing and leveraging equipment puts less of a burden on cash flow, the cash impact of these options still has to be considered as it puts additional overhead into your P&L. There is a scientific way to determine whether to lease or buy, or projecting the revenue and production of a fixed asset more accurately. It does require special financial cash flow modeling tools. A contracted CFO, or contracted Chief Financial Officer, or a CPA, Certified Public Accountant, can help you with this.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, I have 19 other short, free videos just like it available for download. All you need to do is go to www.nextstepcfo.net, click on the link that says free videos, and we'll download those to you immediately. I look forward to helping you.